My name is Second Lieutenant Natasha Murko, and I'm CBRN Platoon Commander in the EFP Battle Group. Today we are doing decontamination of the EFP Battle Group companies and units in order to familiarize them with our procedures and decontamination of vehicles, equipment and personnel. For the decontamination of the vehicles, we have different steps. The first step is checking for contamination. If we confirm that there is contamination, then the vehicle proceeds through the station. And the next step is washing off the dirt, removing off camouflage nets. Then we have application of decontamination substance. It's a substance based on chlorine. Afterwards, there is waiting that decontamination substance works and kills all the agents. After that, we wash off decontamination substance and then we check in the end with detectors if decontamination was successful. If the vehicles are clean, if detectors aren't showing anything, then the vehicle is good to go and its procedure for the vehicle is over. And on the other line, we have decontamination for equipment and personnel. Guns are decontaminated with the same substance as vehicles, so decontamination substance based on chlorine. Personal protective equipment, we decontaminate it with hot steam, and then personnel are decontaminated in decontamination showers, again with decontamination substance for personnel. In the end, vehicles, personnel and equipment are clean and decontaminated from any possible agents.